Let's take a look at the pen tool. The pen tool is the second tool at the top of the screen. If you tap it one time, that selects the pen. If you tap it a second time, that's when you get the options for the different thickness of your pen, the type of pen you're going to be using, and the different color options. You also have at the bottom an option to select favorite pens so that you can quickly and easily switch between your different pen options. Let's look at the different styles of pens. Right now it is set to a ballpoint style pen. So if I write with the ballpoint style pen, the thickness stays uniform no matter how hard I'm pushing down on my stylus or with my finger. The second pen option is a fountain pen. This one will change thickness depending on how hard you are pushing down with your stylus. And then if you swipe over to the left, you'll notice you'll have a dashed line and a dotted line that you can also write with. This is good for lines. Same with the dots as well. And if you change the thickness at the top, it will change the size of those dashes and dots. You can also change the color as well. And there are swatches of colors available for you to pick from. And if you keep swiping to the right, you can also tap the plus sign and add any color from the color wheel that you need. There is an eyedropper tool. If you tap on that, it will allow you to pick from any color on the page. So if you're trying to color match, you would drag that on top of the color and then click the check mark, and then you could add that into your color palette so that I can then match that blue. Another option that you have with the pen tool, if I needed text to go in between those two lines, and I can either zoom on the page to zoom in to be able to write better in that space, or I can also use the zoom tool, bottom right hand corner, tap on the zoom. It's going to create a box that you can drag around on your screen. You can also resize, and then you would write inside of that box, and you've got a lot larger space and it fills it in there. If you are writing with the zoom, it will move once you get to the end of the box. The box will automatically move for you, and it will wrap around to the next line. Notice the tools in the zoom box will show up right at the top of the toolbar so that you can easily grab those tools. If you're done with the zoom box, you can tap on the zoom option again, or you can tap on the three lines to drag it up or all the way down. So that is your pen tool in Notability.